Charge up in and I'm ever ready. One up in the head and 30 in the belly. Them straight and stiff a pack of macaroni. Left the place full. Charge up in and I'm ever ready. One up in the head and 30 in the belly. Them straight and stiff a pack of macaroni. Left the place full.
Because you say you are the gang leader. If you cannot control it, then it must be replaced. And somebody else who have control over your men take charge.
That was Alexander, the baddest police in Trinidad. Them said a police boy here, run all him own corner, and do him own little thing and hustle. And the way how he address Prezi, you can tell this man know what's going on the street down there in Trinidad and in Port of Spain. And you can tell him give the gang member them and the gang leader them respect. Listen to what he say again. Let me play it one more time.
Because you say you are the gang leader. If you cannot control it, then it must be replaced. And somebody else who have control over your men take charge.
Do you hear what the big policeman has said? Somebody else who have control over your man or over your men them take charge. No, that is crazy. Listen to some more. Before I play this, I just want the listeners them to know I heard about this and a link was sent to me by one of my friends from Trinidad and I saw the title. So I am listening to this with you guys right now in real time, and I'm just gonna give my 2 cents after. And like I told Prezi from day one, eventually they're gonna get rid of you. You got to be a gambler, you have a poker casino, you run all sort of stuff in Trinidad. You should have been able to pack it up and go. How much more do you want, Prezi?
This type of behavior is taking place on the nation street. You should be held accountable to such an extent that if you making persons uncomfortable, then you should be uncomfortable. You should not be given the opportunity to lead in that way.
Wow, guess what? I have listened to this policeman before, Alexander, but for some reason I like this policeman because I feel the same way. If you want to make people uncomfortable, you think you're gonna come and rob me and kill my family, and then you're gonna be up in your big mansion fucking pussy, smoking weed, popping champagne. Pussy, that don't work in my book. So, talk, Mr. Alexander, I agree with you 100%.
If you do not control, because you say you are the gang leader, if you cannot control it, then it must be replaced. And somebody else who have control over your men.
This is so true. So, there's a couple things that this statement that this police boy Alexander made that is very revealing in this situation. Now, obviously, he knows about Prezi. Obviously, he knows Prezi is running BTAM and those places and have one bag of man around him. Obviously, he knows that Prezi have money and they have been giving him his respect because he's been bobbing and weaving. Like I say, you know the relationship between gangster and police. Gangster always appear of police and police always in a gangster them pocket. And the big money man them, the Dan man them pocket. Than do favors for them. But, like I said, all this war is fucking crazy and disgusting. Evil, you understand? And there is no way Prezi is going to do all these things to people, and then he's gonna think that he's gonna live until he's an old man, and he's gonna live and his family is gonna have everything. Prezi, you should know better than that. You have to know how to be a gambler. You got to know when to fold it, know when to walk away, know when to run. You better count your money when sitting at the table. You're not doing that. It seems like now a lot of the other dons them is gone. You is one of the main one who's in the spotlight. And then you have 6 Dan. I just saw him with a picture with a bag of gold chain around him neck. Look like a damn cow. You understand? So Prezi, you have to start rethinking what you're doing. Because you see, the big policeman inspector, the baddest policeman in Trinidad, start call up your name. That mean the big time politicians and the big time councillors who run those neighborhoods, cause the politician run things, you know. They're starting to worry about you. You start piss off the man them. And like me say, it seems like Alexander give you your respect, but now you's disrespecting them with the killing of innocent people. And there's quite a few times that you and your crew have done that. It's like you guys are fucking crazy. Why don't you go and get who get you guys instead of going on a block and shooting everybody up who's not involved? Cause usually when a man do something, he's not gonna leave himself careless unless he's sold out by his friends, which we have a lot of that in Trinidad. You'll be liming over there with some man and them know you're a bad man and you're hot and thing, and they sell you out to Prezi. You see it in the Muslim system over there, where a Muslim man was paid, I did a video on it, by one of the sevens, you know, to go after that guy in jail. I can't remember his damn name. He was the only one didn't get let out. Slim Indian dude, half Indian dude. You understand? His name is on the top of my head, but I can't remember it. So, what I am saying is, Prezi, your time has come, and you need to rethink this. You understand? Now, I've done videos where I have supported certain things, because like I say, I have to give you your respect. I see when Kojo died and certain man get killed and dead, you picked up the music thing and you invested in it. You invest in Prince Swanee. You understand? And I feel like Prince Swanee owes it to you. And you put the Trinidad movement back on the map, dog. You see what I'm saying? So I give you your respect. But listen, at the same time, you're doing enough fuckery. You need to stop it. And me, I send a warning to you. Listen to Countryman. If you don't stop it, Prezi, you're dead. With that said, Swanee, under you here, to live better than that. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.